Hello everyone, welcome to this Cloud Mastery channel. We are going to explore cloud environments specific for AWS, and my name is Anshu and I will guiding here about this topic. So let's start with the cloud computing, and also I just want to mention one specific thing, like whoever need to start their career in cloud computing, this topic will be very helpful to them. If you recently completed your graduations and you want to start your cloud computing career, so please continue this channel. You will get more details based on the lessons. So this is the first topic I just picked here. This is about cloud computing. So if you see, cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet. So when I say over the internet, that means very simple understanding, like you don't need to be manage your data centers, physical data centers. So everything will be on the internet, based on the internet. Data centers from AWS will manage by them only. You don't need to manage your data centers. And what are the resources you will use about compute or database or networking? That only you have to pay. You don't need to pay about hardware and all things. That is uh, managed service by AWS. So AWS have to be focused on their hardware and a structure of networking and storage, but you just focus on your applications and your model, what model you are using, like infrastructure as a service or platform as a service or software as a service, container as a service, function as a service. So based on your model, you need to be paid to cloud. It could be AWS, Azure, GCP, or OCI. And if you see the benefit here, to ability to cut cost around 40 to 44%. So if you have the proper understanding of cloud, and after 4 5 years of cloud computing, you will understand about the architecture role. And if you are interested in architecture, then you definitely save some cost. If I say about FinOps area, cost optimization area, how to calculate the cost factor during the migrations, that also I will cover in coming sessions in this channel. So please subscribe this channel. You will get more details here. And if I say benefits of cloud solution was simply better options and reduced capital expenditure, reduce operation complexity, moderation of legacy IT environments, simplicity on speeds, new software licensing and upgrade model, new capabilities or features, predictable subscription based pricing. Also we have the subscription based pricing, I can see in AWS as well. So I will cover that area also whenever it will become on that chapter. And business units independence and creating new offering on the service, reduction on internal IT headcounts. So these are the areas where you can look into more, and then you can get the benefits when you start working on the cloud computing, right? So this is the first one. Please put your comment as well. If any query you have, then I will try to answer those queries in the comment section as well. So moving to next slide, this is about cloud computing service model. So as I covered, if I compare between on-premises to cloud, so if you see on-premises, you can see everything you have to manage, data center also, and your application and how operating system as well, right? So everything you have to manage from your side. But if you go with the cloud, there is a multiple models available. I covered only 3 models here because this is very basic session right now, so I don't want to go more deeper with this stage. But definitely after some few session I will cover those areas also, like FaaS, function as a service, and CaaS, container as a service. So these two area also very much trending right now in cloud market. So those also I will cover very soon. So if I say infrastructure as a service, if you see here, application, runtime, middleware, and operating system. So application can be refer of your SAP HANA or your Oracle Cloud, MS SQL, Apache, Jenkins, web server. So these are things uh, go with the application and middleware. And what are the runtime you have, what are the operating system you have. So those needs to manage by our teams only, like provider teams. So if you're belonging any provider team, like AWS team or any service provider company, if I say Wipro, TCS, HCL. So these companies also providing this type of services over there, right? So you have to be continue with that team, and then you need to support to client for this type of services. So in simplicity, if I say, so these are things you have to be managed, and virtualization, servers, storage, networking, these areas provider need to be managed, like AWS or Azure or OCI or GCP need to be managed on those services in an infrastructure as a service. PaaS, you only focus on the application and runtime. Middleware, operating system, virtualization, server, storage, networking, let managed by provider team only. And if you're bringing SaaS service, for example, it was providing us queue service, right? So that is a functionality where you can type your query and you will get the answer and you will see the solution as well. But you don't need to manage anything over there. So this is a very simplicity service I can explain here about SaaS service. So everything need to manage by them only, and you can use that service and you can get the beneficial. So this is about models, what exactly we are using in the cloud computing. Please drop your comment in section comment section, and I will try to answer those things. Yeah. So moving to next one. So if you see AWS right now, this is a very latest slide. If I say uh, everything I collected from Feb end, like till 28th February. So everything is considering here. This is very latest slide, and this is also will helpful for your interview question as well. If someone asked how many availability zone available in AWS, how many regions are available in AWS, um, uh, so you can answer over there very simple way, like currently till 28th February 2025 we have 114 ability zones, and we have 36 geographic regions right now till 28th February 2025. And there is announcement done with the 12 more ability zones in wide world, and 4 more locations are coming very soon. If I say specific the country names, you can see here: New Zealand, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Taiwan, and the European cloud. So these are the regions will be explored in very soon. Also, if you see here uh, the global infrastructure uh, in terms of the computing and AWS continues. So if you see here in Amazon Web Services, Microsoft, Google, Oracle, IBM, so everywhere you can see AWS is leading right now. So market is covered by AWS and Microsoft and Google, if I say in simple way. So these three providers are very highly used in the cloud market. And this slide is dedicated from October 2023 with the Gartner blog. So yeah, I can I just added here the link as well. And if I say values, you can see here what kind of value we can get it from AWS cloud computing. The security, lower cost, higher flexibility, and about the cloud value proposition as well. The low cost, agility and instant elasticity, open and flexible, secure, stop guessing capacity, stop spending money running and maintaining data centers, go global in minutes as well, right? So these are the things we are maintaining here in value. The pillars of the framework in principle: operating excellence, security, reliability, performance efficiency, and cost optimization and sustainability. So these type of principle we are having in the cloud platform. So mainly these are the areas where we are working with clients, right? So we have to be focused on these particular topics and explore over there. Yeah. And moving to next one, you can see here whatever I covered in last slide, like 36 regions and 114 ability zones and 700 uh, point of presence we have in CloudFront, which are called as edge locations. Edge locations means the nearest location from you, and everything you store in the memory part. So those are the edge locations we are calling. And 42 location zones and 245 countries having a territory of AWS, and 135 direct connect we have there. So what are the way you can access AWS, right? So very fundamental, if I say the basic one is UI, user interface. So you just need to log in from AWS console from browser, and then you can see all services over there. Second is CLI. CLI basically beneficial to those resources which are mainly working on developing area. So CLI you can use for there. SDK also relevant to SDK and REST API also relevant to AWS developer profile. So they are using on those things over there. So now I'm coming on the creation part. So if you want to create AWS account, you need to open AWS home service page, and then you can click on the AWS account creations, and then you can put some details which are mandatory over there. If I say email address, password, account name, and then you have to continue choose over there, and then you have to be like specific your email ID clearly. Otherwise if your email is incorrect, then you cannot be access your accounts over there. Also you have to be specify the reason of uses. If it is personal, then put it personal. If it is business, then you must have one SOP from company which you need to follow, or the creation of user account. So once you receive the confirmation of email, then you can use that account after 24 hours, and then you can continue to finish activating and everything your accounts over there, and you can start working on the AWS. uh, there is a payment method also having over there on the billing information page, where you can put your credit card, and then you can choose your support plan as well. I would suggest, if you are a very beginner, then go for the basic plan, and then continue to sign up, because we are not working as a uh, employer. If you're not working as employer, as employee in the company, then you need to choose a personal account, and you need to finish over there. Otherwise charges will be more on there. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, we have done this sessions, and please let me know if any topics or any query you have, then I will try to complete over the comment section. Yeah, thank you all.